talking to each other.
Go potty. They're flanking. Brown ones are flanking the black ones.
This is a fun little spot.
Look at it. There she is, guys.
We're gonna be set up and hitching the go here soon. How you doing, Becky? Huh? How you doing? You doing good? Yeah, the mountain's right there.
So on the way to the park, we'll detour. We had to stop and get lunch. Oh, yum yum. If you don't know about it, Costco pizza's $9.99, even in Colorado. So we got some lunch and a little extra before, and also we had time to kill before we go to our campsite. Can't check in until 1.
Now we're hungry. Let's dig in. Right there, buddy.
In 3/4 of a mile, the destination is on your right, Cherry Creek State Park Campground. In half a mile, the destination is on your right, Cherry Creek State Park Campground.
We're de-winterizing. We're gonna get ready for the season.
Yeah.
And she'll be good to go.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun. Wish us luck.
He doesn't need any. He's caught basil. All right. I'm going to give you a site tour just from my chair. This is the rig. 70 foot long, so we can park our truck in front of our camper, not having to kind of be a dick and park half on, half off, whatever. And then we have full hookup. We have a beautiful picnic table, which is bolted down. A beautiful fire pit with the grill. I love when fire pits have the grill on top because you throw your cast iron on that, shove your coals underneath. We got a little woodpecker friend here too. There's a big squirrel around here somewhere. Oh my God, you see that tongue? Babe, this thing's got the longest tongue. Anyways, so what I was saying was we have a view. Not much. Yes, there's a road. But if you focus and look closely, we have a lake view. There's water right there. Water right there. This is a whole lake. Jet skis, boats, so it's a big one. And then, do you see that? Do you see those little mountains? We got a lake and mountain view. Snow caps. How many feet did the guy say at the cattle ranch they got?
At the cattle ranch, 3 to 6 feet.
And how much on the mountains there?
This year, 31.
31 feet.
This year.
Still there too. So check it out. If you ever get a chance. Oh my God, I was zoomed in on myself. I need to stop zooming in on myself like that. Look at that cool car. You think he got a Class A? Nah, I think he's just cruising. I think he knew I was videotaping him. But anyways, Cherry Creek Reservoir.
Yeah, Cherry Creek Reservoir.
This is the campground. It's a huge park. Huge. So we're definitely going to have to explore. I heard there's a beach somewhere.
Yeah, Dog Beach.
I heard there's a dog park off leash area. Lots of bikers. And welcome to Colorado.
Let's go, guys. We're tired.
Can you tell we're not going to go right away?
We're tired, but
And we didn't even have to drive that long.
Yeah.
But it's been a lot of boondocking.
Yeah, it's been
Go.
3 full travel days.
Yeah.
It's
So, if you're just now tuning in, don't forget why we're so low energy is because we came from Ohio. And this dude, the Beeline King.
let's get there.
And if any of you know what that's a reference from, KYD, Mark calls Trish the Beeline Queen. I was trying to slow us down, and I thought I would be the Beeline Queen, but he was the Beeline King.
Here comes the cool car.
Oh, here comes the cool car. So we've got mystery water.
Doesn't smell like pee.
No, it's clear. You want turn on the light, the back light. Trying to figure out where it's coming from. Like, that's a lot of water. This is wet.
It's only wet right there on the carpet, right?
Yeah, like just right here. Right here. Almost like something just spilt there.
Yeah.
But everything looks pretty dry. Oh, the screw fell out. We'll fix that. Huh. We'll keep an eye on that, mystery water. Well, I just took the best, longest shower. By the way, did you have our camera on? Our site views. Yep, we have some neighbors. Not too close, though. Not too close. I like it when they're not too close. Shower, small. But we knew that. We knew that. We knew there were going to be sacrifices.
Looks like there might be some water, but I need to open it up to make sure.
Okay. When I got done with my shower and Russell's getting ready for his shower, we discovered an excuse mess. I literally just hopped out. A rather larger puddle than you would want to see. Not like, I didn't even walk that way. I got dressed in the bathroom. So it definitely wasn't from me like running around after a shower. But there was like no sign of where it came from. We'll figure it out. And then there's one other thing that it's like these windows don't have it, but let me show you. The only other thing that has broken or we've discovered we need to fix is this little guy right here came off the wall. We're gonna work on that. Luckily, we will be here for 3 more nights. Oh my gosh. Sorry. We'll be here for 3 more nights, so we have time to investigate and fix. A lot of screws to take this out. But we do have a little indication of water. Could have come probably here because this part's wet, but it kind of pedaled there. So we think there's additional water, so we're gonna take the whole inner cupboard out. Not too wet. Okay, yeah, you can kind of see where it is dripping. And then it probably just went under the wall into the carpet.
Guessing.
What's going on, babe?
I think what was going on was we had like one of our PEX lines wasn't quite tightened all the way. So I think I tightened it, but now I need to know for sure. But I turned the water off because, you know, panic. So I'm gonna turn the water back on and look in there and see if it still leaks. If it does, I do have some tools that I could use to tighten it. If it still leaks, I have to see what else we can do.
Babe, I love you so much, but don't hate me. I've discovered a third thing. The door is off the hinge. How did the screws come out of it?
I don't know, but they went straight through.
What? Guys, we knew this was gonna happen. This is what happens with RVs. Didn't know that was gonna happen. Maybe like a screw pop out like that. That's explainable. That.
We can just get some bigger screws or something.
Oh, I bet it's because we don't close the door.
What do you mean?
We don't close the door when we drive.
Maybe.
Maybe we should close the door now when we drive.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's me. That's me.
It looks good. Shifting the hot. Looks good. He said he saw water on the coal line. He tightened it. Everything's draining properly. You can see where it was dripping on the black pipe, so it definitely was coming from up there on the coal line. We will obviously keep an eye on it and figure that out before we leave.
It's not fun seeing this.
No, never fun seeing water where it shouldn't be. Don't ignore my trash. We haven't done a trash run. Also, advice. This is my space. No trash can space. I'm gonna figure it out. I can't put it under the sink because there's shelves. But I'm gonna figure it out. I will. You wouldn't know it, but yes, we have some bad things, but man, it's beautiful out there. What a view. We'll get out there soon.
Look at him. It's awesome. Clear view.
Oh, is video?
Yeah. Yeah. That's how we do.
We made it to Colorado.
We're at the dog park right now.
Mega dog park. This campground that I've been telling you all about that we've been staying, it's over 100 acres of off-leash fenced-in area. We haven't made it all the way around yet. It's like miles long.
Yeah. But we're on the way, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Look at her.
And a lot
She
of
don't even
dogs.
care. Look at her. She's all.
Becky, come here. Say hello. Come. Look at her. Is she coming?
Yeah.
I'm looking in the video.
Yeah. Good job, Baggy.
But a lot of the dogs have been coming back soaking wet, like the full body. So she's scared of water, but maybe.
We're trying to find a pond. We'll see how it goes.
We'll see where it is. Somewhere in this hundreds
Yeah.
acre.
Yeah. Let's go.
Look at that.
That's right outside the dog park.
Ooh, look at that one over there.
Whole mountain range.
At one point, we were considering moving here. I think I'm now reconsidering.
What do you mean reconsidering? Baby, what do you mean?
It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. What are you doing? Go on.
Come on. Look, get in there. It's a rock. It's a rock.
Here, watch this. Basil. Basil.
It's a rock. It's just a rock. It's just a rock. She doesn't believe it's a rock.
Oh, she's like, it's a thing. So check this out, guys. So where the river was over there. And you keep going through the trees and you end up here. But look at this spot. Hi, Becky.
Best dog park, hands down. Like, you got river, little beaches along the river. You got obstacles for them to play with, all in between. Wow.
It's so cool. Oh yeah, it is a little dam.
It's a big dam.
Yeah.
For 6.
Happy girl. You happy?
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Look at her paws. No way. Except a little bit.
Little tootsies.
It actually was worse, so it's looking better.
Look at this view, guys. It looks much more impressive in person. Highly recommend this park. This is unbelievable.
And this is just a dog park.
Ain't that right, Basie? So if y'all remember, see that little black thing right here? Like going horizontal? That thing was all the way at the beginning of the park. And that was like quite a bit of ways from the entrance, which is like way over there, like past those trees. And then you got way over there, where those houses are. That's how massive this dog park is. Unbelievable.
Go through. Go on. Go on. Okay.
Look at how cute you are.
Okay, come back. No, through the tunnel. Ah, baby girl. Good job. Biggie, up. Up. Here. Next. Basil, up. Woo! Oh my god. Come on. Oh. Up here. Up here. To the top. Good girl. Keep going. Come on. Keep going all the way. Oh, good job. Okay. Good job. I'm such a proud parent today.
Yeah, it shows.
Oh, the mud.
You were so close, baby.
Yuck.
Yeah, I was thirsty.
Bagel. Up. Up. Oh my goodness. Good job. That's the first time ever. Proud dad. Proud dad right there.
Come here, babe.
Let's do it again. One more time. Okay, slow down though. Not too fast. I want you to get hurt. Good job. All right, guys. We got the dog. We got the sun that's setting here pretty soon. We got some mountains. We got a little reservoir. We got a T-bone straight from the farm. I'm gonna sizzle it up. Got the spot. Here we go. The location. The man. The can is?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Okay, right.
Probably should make sure the refrigerator's on cold, not coldest.
I think it is on cold.
Oh. Not the Canada Dry. Does that mess up my carbonation ratio? You can't be messing up my carbonation ratio. Okay. Okay, are you going back in? Okay. Thanks, babe. He's getting him a little bevy. I'm getting me a little ginger ale. So, that's right. Canada Dry sponsor me. 0 sugar. Not sure if it's cancerous. Probably is. What is it? You see it? I've seen those before. So is basil. Right, we're getting this night started. Ooh, she's smoking. Okay, we're ready. I'll see you guys later. I'm cooking time. Cheers. Yeah, speak to them.
Look at that view.
And that is how we do it. Good. Yeah, it's done at the bone, so we're definitely good. Maybe even a little overcooked. I'm trying to cut it off the bone because the reason why we got a T-bone is because one side is ribeye and the other is like a kind of like a strip-ish. So we're gonna just split this and have a good night.
Okay. Yep.
Definitely overcooked it. However, it is still really good. So, cheers.
Would you recommend this expensive steak?
If you got the money, but if you ain't balling, get a regular oldie steak. They got 3 packs for $15. So, but if you got money for good meat, no antibiotics, no additives or whatever they say, like he raised this, he was never sick, healthy cow. It's good.
I think it's pretty darn good.
But not if you can't afford it, it's okay.
There's options. You do you, guys.
Don't break the bank for a little piece of steak. Get your steak. There's cheap options.
All right, let's dig in. We have some for you. Okay. Happy dog in the mountains.
Best dog park ever.
Yeah.
Good night. We finally made it back. We're here. Hookups. Good night.